Hey, do you want to learn how to create 300 DPI images in Canva? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. And at the end, I'll also show you a tool that can convert any image into 300 DPI directly. So let's get to it. First, you need to open up Canva and log into your account. After that, like I've got this clip art here, you can generate this clip art using the Canva AI. So just type in something here and generate image, then remove the background. Then you can also go over here in edit on the top and you can change the style match. So this one was this image that you see currently, and I changed it into scrapbook. It's a nice way to convert an image into a different style. You can also go over to ideogram.ai. You can generate an image from here as well. Most people that use clip art to sell them online use ideogram. So you can use this as well. Now, in order to make a 300 DPI image in Canva, you need to go over here on top, right, share, click on it. Then press on download here. Under size, you're going to see this is currently 1080 into 1080 pixels. I can take this slider, press on it, take it all the way to the end, to the right, and it's going to become 3.125. This is the max size it can go to. If I make it 1080, 1080 and download it, right click on that image that you have just downloaded, go over to show more options, go to properties. Under it, you'll find details, click on it on the top. Then scroll down, you're going to find the horizontal resolution and the vertical resolution at 96 dpi. We want this to be 300 dpi. So I'm just going to close it. Go back here in Canva on the top right, click on share, click on download again. And this time we're going to take this size slider all the way to the end. Let's click on download. Go to a download section, right click this one, show more options, go to properties. In details, now you're going to see that our vertical resolution and the horizontal resolution is both at 300 dpi. To make the exported image without the background, you can press on here and share, then click on download and make sure to select this option, which is transparent background, while you are clicking on download. There you go. Now this does not have any background to it. Now maybe even after making it 3.125 here, taking the slider to the end, it still does not make a 300 dpi image. What you need to do is go over here on resize on the top left, click on it. This canvas project was 1080 into 1080. You can click on the custom size, input the width and height of the largest size that you've selected in the share. So this is 3375. You can just go over here and resize, custom size, width and height 3375, and then copy and resize. And then you would be able to increase the slider even higher. Now let's talk about a tool that can convert any image that you've got into 300 dpi. So this is Clydio.com. You can go over here. I'll put the link in the description. Take that image that you've got and drag and drop it. This one was 96 dpi. Now it's going to ask you which dpi size do you want to set it to. You can do a custom as well. You can go to 600 dpi, and there are other options here. I'm going to select 300 dpi and click on continue. And there you go. Now it will give you a download option on the right hand side. You can also send it in Google Drive or Dropbox. I'm just going to download it straight. Let's open it up. Go to more options, properties, details, and there you go. We have now set this current image DPI to 300 dpi without changing the width and height of it, the dimensions. And that's it. That's how to create 300 dpi images in Canva. I hope this video helped solve the problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Canva related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.